and welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
Oh, you can see my back. Hey. So this is like a new level of friendship. If you can't tell, Michael, my dear friend who lives next door, is helping me fake tan my back. How's it going back there?
It's going real good.
Oh, this is true friendship. I can't get the middle of my back, so maybe Santa Claus will get me an applicator for Christmas to get my back.
I think he might. I had a talk with him.
I wonder. But yeah, so it's like, what, 2 or 3 days till Christmas?
Yeah.
We have lots of events coming up that your girl wants to be tanned for, so we just finished shows. It's clearly hair washing night as well, as you can tell by the wet bun. What are you laughing at over there?
I just feel like I'm getting your towel all tanned.
It's fine. I'll just get a new one. It's fine. But yeah, so we have lots of events and activities coming up, so tonight's the best night for me to get my tan on. If you guys want a fake tan type video, leave a comment. Leave a comment in the comments down below, and I would be happy to film that for you. But yeah, we're just doing this, and it's going to be nice and bronzed in the morning, or I might be crusty, you know. You never know, so.
We'll see.
Thanks. Your hand looks like an orca. Okay, now it doesn't. Now it does. Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to the vlog. So we are currently backstage. We are dressed to the nines. Looking nice, Michael.
You're looking good too.
Thanks. We are rehearsing for our Christmas show. So we're doing a special show tomorrow for Christmas Eve for our Welcome Aboard show. So we are doing a dress rehearsal. I'll insert some clips now of a little bit of what people are doing. The clips that you'll see are actually from the tech run, which is before dress run. So people won't be in costumes, but you'll get to see. But stay tuned. Hopefully I can get someone to film tomorrow the actual show so you guys can see some of what we do for Christmas. But yeah, he's got to go sing. You might want to spit that thing out.
Presents and ones again, my world is filled with dear you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes outshine the town they do. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright. Oh, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Well, the treetops glisten and children listen to ye sleigh bells in the snow.
Today is Christmas Eve and we are in Sydney. I'm sure you can hear the Christmas music in the background. It's really festive everywhere we go, and I love this. This is like the main shopping street. This street is called George Street. So this is where most of the shops line. You can see there's McDonald's right there, but the shops line the street on both sides, and there's a big mall just to my left as well. But as you can see, it's really not that crazy today. I thought it would be way busier than it is, but it's really not that busy. It's kind of almost eerily quiet, so maybe Australia has it right and people don't wait until the final seconds, you know, Christmas Eve, but it's so gorgeous. I absolutely love this. They have Christmas music playing outside of these wreaths, and you can walk through. Where I'm standing, if you would have seen a previous vlog about Sydney, the light rail that I was talking that they're building, this is, you can kind of see the railings on the ground, but this is where they're building it. So they have just opened up this section so we can walk on it for now because obviously the light rail isn't running. Walking back to the ship, Mel, don't you try to hide on Christmas Eve. And it's pouring down rain, and naturally Michael's the only one that brought an umbrella. So
I was a Boy Scout, I'm always prepared.
Oh, well, I normally bring one every turnaround day, but the projected forecast did not say rain today. It said high of 93 degrees, so naturally I didn't bring it the one time, and it's raining. So Mel and I crafted some sweet bag hat
It
things.
kind of looks like a Santa hat almost.
Yes, Santa hat.
Appropriate.
It's like the poor man Santa hat, but I gotta put my camera away because we're not gonna be covered anymore. Bye! Hello, and welcome back to the vlog. So it is Christmas Eve night, and as you can tell, full face is on, the dress is on, and it is showtime. So the nerves of anticipation are circulating around backstage. You can't hear, I'm sure you can, the music's loud right now, but the orchestra is opening up our Christmas show for us, and then we have a nice little bunch of numbers to put together. We're doing a show at 7:45 for the guests, and then we're doing a special show for the crew at 10:45, but it's gonna put me in the holly jolly mood. Merry Christmas! It's Christmas Day on the ship, and we are having breakfast all together. We have bagels, fried eggs, hash browns, bacon, all sorts of deliciousness, and the gang is all here for stockings. They're not paying attention because they'd rather eat, but we are about to start opening presents, and we just wanted to stop by quickly and say hello to the vlog and show you how we celebrate on the ship. We're also about to crack open a bottle of champagne and have some morning mimosas, but Merry Christmas!
Did you show them the gifts?
Well, they kind of got to see, but I mean, this is like...
They've multiplied.
They have multiplied. This is what the Lord does. He provides.
Yes, he does, honey. Hey,
I knew you were about to testify to that. But Merry Christmas to one and to all, and bless you to my friend Matt. Come on.
Yay!
Christmas has moved, and we're doing Secret Santa with the cast. So we're about to learn the rules. So let's figure out what's about to happen. Okay.
All right, let's how this works. Rochelle will go first, going from old. Well, she's the oldest. She's had the most Christmases. So, only by a few months. You'll get a guess. Whoever you guess, if that's your Secret Santa, they will give you your gift. You can open it and hug it out, and then they will go. If you get it wrong, it goes to the person that you guess, and they get a chance to guess.
Okay.
So just keep it moving.
Okay.
Got it.
Cool.
I think it's Julia.
Why are you doing that? Yeah. It's because you rap so good. Who else could it be? So she's right. Yeah. I'm just gonna go on a lemon. Monica. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I know exactly where you're at.
Yes.
Okay, the first few, just be careful.
Pretzels, my other favorite snack. Yum. And chocolates.
Yeah.
More snacks. Your girl is hungry. We'll have a party in my room.
She must take a note from the evacuation.
Oh my goodness. Yum. Garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Sweet potato.
Sounds great.
Where am I going to put all this food? That's the real question. Nacho cheese popcorn.
Nacho cheese.
More food, I think. What does this say about me? Oh, sea salt popcorn. Sorry, Michael, you don't have a chair anymore.
It's okay.
My snacks have taken over.
The golden ticket to Willy Wonka.
My favorite face mask.
Ooh.
You told Annie you liked those.
Those are my favorite.
Try the sip.
Salsa! Yes! Yum.
There's a real present in there.
This tension is killing me. I know, like made my way through. Well guys, you ever get hungry? 436. Oh my god. Yes. Sour Patch is my favorite candy. Gummy snakes. And sour gummy snakes. Yes! So I got 2 of the Stila glitters that I like for my eyes. Sunset Cove and Diamond Dust. Or no, I want Diamond Dust. I don't know. This is a new one.
Yeah, limited edition one, but if you don't like it, you can.
Ooh.
Edition.
Ooh.
And then
Fancy.
gift card.
Yay.
I'm her Secret Santa. hope that's smart enough for you. She put a smart cosmetic case, and I was like, oh gosh. I was like, I hope I know what that means. I hope I can do that. You know that kid that messes up every family photo? Wah, wah. Oh, it's got a glare. Hold on. Wah. I just really nailed
I can't stop laughing at it.
this really nice cast photo, and then
Nobody looks very good except the asses at the back.
Oh no.
I would have looked great if I wouldn't have made that face, because that face was beat, honey. Christmas festivities are coming to a close, at least for now. We have opened our stockings, and then we went and did Secret Santa with the cast, but I wanted to show you guys all the goodies that I got from my stockings. Look at this spread. I got clutch, I got cat ears, cute socks, fun little Christmas undies. Look at that sparkly hat. If that doesn't scream Danielle, I don't know what does. A selfie light. I just got so many good things. I'm so thankful. This is my very first holiday away from home, and our group of friends really made it special this morning. It was a really great way to start the day. And then we got to go and do Secret Santa, which, like I said previously in a vlog, we drew names out of the cast and got to give each other gifts, obviously, like Secret Santa. And we've been giving gifts. Find the good light. There we go. We've been giving gifts for weeks to each other, so that was really fun to finally find out who had me. Monica, who was actually here for stockings this morning, she ended up having me and got me some Stila glitters, which you probably would have seen. One of them swatched on my hand right now. Can't really see it, but it was a great morning. Now we're about to go head off and do a lunch. They are actually hosting a lunch in the dining room for all the crew, special for Christmas, which is really kind and considerate and thoughtful of the higher up people to offer that to us, because normally we would just eat like in our mess, which is kind of like a cafeteria style. So we're gonna go do that, and hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's festive and, you know, something like we're used to back in the States. It's Christmas dinner on board the ship. Say hi to the vlog. Everyone looks so glamorous. Say hi. We came and had sushi. Not traditional Christmas dinner, but it's going to be delicious nonetheless. So we are about to, and by about to, these people already are chowing down. Yummy! Roll for Christmas dinner is the creamy truffle lobster tempura with shrimp, asparagus, and avocado, and topped with truffle battered lobster. And if that doesn't scream decadence for Christmas, I don't know what does. Just finished Christmas dinner with my friends at sushi, and so I'm gonna head to bed now because I am very tired. It has been a long day. We started stockings early this morning. We had Secret Santa. We had all crew lunch for Christmas. I got to call home and talk to my husband and see some of their Christmas Eve festivities, and then I got straight ready for another night of Christmas caroling, and then we went to Christmas dinner. So I am absolutely exhausted, and I am planning on getting up very early because the time difference is extreme between Australia and Oklahoma, as you would have already known. But I'm surprising my husband and calling him super early in the morning so that I can be FaceTimed in for their Christmas. But tonight's makeup I really love. I did the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I just used, I did a Christmas inspired like burgundy eye, and then I did a pop of green on the lower lash line, and I really like the way it turned out. But thank you guys for watching this vlog. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel until I see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. Bye!